Hello student, this is the last topic of this chapter, monsoon as a unifying bond, and it's very important. I would request all of you to pay attention carefully and read the subtopic which is given in your book on page number 35. You have already come to know the way the Himalayas protect the subcontinent from the extremely cold winds from the Central Asia. You have seen that in the map of India, okay? In the map of India, you'll see the mountains are here. These high mountains, which are found in the northern part of our country, they protect this our country subcontinent from the extremely cold winds which comes from the Central Asia. These are the dry cold winds which are coming from the Central Asia, and side by side this also enables northern India to have a uniform high temperatures. Okay, इट ऑल्सो हेल्प दीज विंड्स. नहीं तो क्या होगा, ये कोल्ड विंड्स आएंगी यहाँ पे. अगर हिमालयाज नहीं होते तो हमारे यहाँ भी पूरे दिन समय जो है ड्राई स्नोफॉल होती रहती. सो ये हिमालयाज इनको बचाते हैं अंदर से आने की वजह से, एंड इससे नॉर्दर्न इंडिया के अंदर जो है नॉर्मली यूनिफॉर्मली हाई टेम्परेचर्स होता है व्हेन कंपेयर टू अदर एरियाज ऑन द सेम लैटिट्यूड्स. ठीक है, ड्यू टू दिस हिमालयाज. ठीक है, बाकी इसी लैटिट्यूड में जो भी कंट्री आती हैं वहाँ पे आप देखोगे उनके कंपैरिजन में इंडिया के अंदर हाई टेम्परेचर होता है. Okay, similarly peninsular plateau under the influence of the sea from the three sides are there. Okay, so this peninsular plateau under the influence of these three seas, ठीक है, influence the weather of this peninsular region by a moderating climate. पहला हिमालयाज हो गया, दूसरा ये सीज हो गई जो यहाँ पे मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट लेके आती हैं, मॉडरेट टेम्परेचर रहता है. एंड डिस्पाइट सच मॉडरेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंसेस देयर आर ग्रेट वेरिएशन इन टेम्परेचर कंडीशंस ऑल्सो. Okay, though there is a moderate influence, but you can find that there are variations in the temperature conditions. Nevertheless, the unifying influence of the monsoons on the Indian subcontinent is quite perceptible. How? The seasonal alteration of the wind. Okay, alteration of the winds keeps on changing also, and the weather conditions also which provide a rhythmic cycle of seasons. These also influence the climate, even the uncertainties of the rain. Sometimes the rains are uncertain in our country, and side by side uneven distribution of the rainfall uneven distribution of the rainfall are also very much typical of the monsoon for our country. ठीक है, and in Indian landscape, its animals and plant life, agricultural calendar and the life of the people including their festivals, they revolve around the climate phenomena. ठीक है, आपका जो भी क्लाइमेट फिनोमेना के ऊपर हमारा जो कुछ भी है, पीपल की लाइफ है, एनिमल्स प्लांट्स की लाइफ है, एग्रीकल्चर कैलेंडर है, लोगों की लाइफ है, ये सब जो है फेस्टिवल्स है, ये इसी फिनोमेना पे बेस्ड होता है. एंड ईयर आफ्टर ईयर पीपल फ्रॉम नॉर्थ इंडिया टू साउथ एंड फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, north to south and from east to west, eagerly they await the arrival of the monsoons. As we have seen, we people wait for the monsoons. Okay, and these monsoon winds, they bind the whole country by providing water to set the agriculture activities in our country, and the river valleys which carry this water also unite as a single river valley unit over here. So this much is enough for this whole chapter. Go through your lesson properly, and this topic finishes over here over today. That is page number 39. Already many back exercises are given to you, so complete your back exercise, and we are going to discuss this back exercise in your live class. Okay, that's all enough. Thank you, children.